Hello, my friends. Hopefully, everyone is doing well, staying safe in these strange and difficult times. This is a good time where we should be considering supporting our local small businesses and small businesses that we appreciate. And so that is what I have done here by purchasing a pair of shoes from my friend Kostas. It's a pair of Carlos Santos shoes, Kostas over at the Noble Shoe. So definitely check him out. He's doing some amazing things. He's got some unique styles that are only offered through the Noble Shoe. And I know he's looking to expand beyond just Carlos Santos, adding shoes from Vash, V-A-S-S, and Antonio Macariello. And I probably can't say that right, but you'll know who I'm talking about if you're a shoe lover. Amazing shoes. So let's check these out. Now the first thing I notice, and I don't usually notice this is a really nice box that these came in. So this feels just more sturdy and it's got a little bit of a texture to it. So it's not a big deal, but I noticed immediately just touching the box that it felt better than most of the other shoe boxes. And this is something kind of cool. There's a little note in here from Carlos Santos as well, and that's just a nice touch. Comes with a little information here. It's talking about the Goodyear welted system. All the Carlos Santos shoes are Goodyear welted. Little shoe horn and the shoe bags. Nice, but let's get to the good stuff here. Just gonna open these up. Look at this. Beautiful single monk strap in wine shadow. Absolutely beautiful. So I saw this on the Noble Shoe, and there was a message saying that it was the last of this shoe. They only had one left. And so I reached out to Kostas and I says, can we please make sure there's not only one left? I really wanted to get this pair, this exact style, this exact color. So the wine shadow is part of their patina service. So you can get a number of different styles and a number of different colors, but this is exactly what I wanted, was this wine shadow. What a beautiful color. Not as maybe red as like a true burgundy, but yeah, there's a lot of red in the tone. It's just a unique color, really, really beautiful. I'll check out the sole. So it is, again, Goodyear welted. And kind of a nice little thing. Got Carlos Santos on the heel as well. The stitch density in the welt here is really good, as well as on the uppers. And then the insole, you see Carlos Santos there. But yes, check out Kostas at the Noble Shoe, doing some amazing things. He's got some exclusive models that you can only get there. This, I think, being one of them. And this is on a group MTO made to order. And this ends, I believe, April 15th. So if you want this pair, you need to jump on it pretty quick. Because I believe this is no longer going to be part of the patina service. But I am just super thrilled with these. They look amazing. So definitely check out the Noble Shoe. Thanks again, and stay safe out there, guys.